In this video, I'll show you how to add a reorder product section in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so to achieve this, we'll be using two different plugins. So we'll be using the Customize My Account for WooCommerce plugin. This one's optional. And we'll also be using the WooCommerce Product Table plugin by WooSuite. I'll leave the link in the description below to both plugins. Okay, so once you've downloaded both those plugins, let's head back over to our dashboard. So the second step would be to install and activate both those plugins. So you'd go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin in which you've just downloaded. So you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and activate your license key, navigate to add-ons. Okay, so now you'll scroll down and navigate to where it says product table. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Once you've done so, you'll see this product table option on the sidebar. So now the third step is to go ahead and create a reorder product table. So I'm going to navigate to product table here. And then in your case, you want to go ahead and select add new table. Since I've already created one, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one in which I've created earlier. Okay, so now you just give your product table a name. Okay, now we'll navigate down to where it says form information. And then here is where we'll actually build out our product table. So in my case, I'm showing product image, product name, the short description, and the product price, and also the add to cart button. So users can quickly reorder the products in which they've previously purchased. Okay, so this might not make sense now, but it will shortly. Okay, so to customize this product table, you can just go ahead and drag and drop different sections onto this product table. So if we wanted to show the reviews, we'll just drag and drop the reviews here, and then we can reorder it. Okay, and then maybe we want to display whether this product's in stock or not. So I'm going to drop this stock status here, and then I'm going to reorder it as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave a lot of these options as default. But one thing I will enable is this bulk add to cart, because we want to make it super convenient for our customers to go ahead and reorder products in which they've previously purchased. So in my case, for the add to cart button, I'm going to select the button and also the checkbox as well. So this will allow our users to bulk add to cart products in which they've previously purchased. I'm going to enable this quantity option as well. And I'm also going to enable our add to cart Ajax behavior. Okay, and then for our variation settings, I'm just going to select drop down, and I'm going to leave everything else as default for now. And then for our form control, in your case, so let me go ahead and delete this one. You'll go ahead and click add on the product condition. You'll click add rule. And then for the rule, I'm just going to select previously purchased. And that's it for now. I'm also going to add some filters as well. So on the product filters here, so we can set our filters we can disable the filters, or we can set it based on our product table. In my case, I'm just going to add a custom filter here. Okay, so for our custom filter, I'm going to add our categories filter, tags, and also attributes. And I'm going to, let's remove this sale filter. And that's about it for that. So now when we scroll down to form design, I'm going to leave this as default as well. For our bulk variation again, we'll come back to this option. So I think this is optional. This could be super useful, and you'll see why in a sec. But we'll come back to this. So let's go ahead and hit save changes. So we've just created a product table to display all the previously purchased products by a particular user, so they can quickly reorder their favorite products. Okay, so I'm going to hit this back button here. And I'm going to copy this shortcode. So I'm just going to click this copy icon. And now I'm going to create a new page to display our reorder products on. So I'm just going to hit this plus icon up here and then click page to create a new page. And I'm going to name this one reorder products. I'm just going to paste our shortcode and then just hit publish. And now we can view page. Okay, and now our product table is displaying all the products that I've previously purchased in the past. So in the past, I've purchased this cap product, this sunglasses, and this t-shirt products as well. And this product table will be unique to all your different users because it will be showing all the products that they've actually purchased in the past. So they can quickly reorder their favorite products. And if we want, we can just click add to cart, or we can go ahead and enable the quantity of how much we want to reorder, and as you can see, the checkbox will be automatically selected. You can select the size in here, and now when I click this add selected to cart, it will bulk add all the selected products to cart. So it's super quick and convenient for your users to repurchase products that they've previously purchased. Yeah, so if we wanted, we could leave this tutorial here, but I'm going to take it a step further. So to make it more convenient for your users, we want to display this option when they're actually in their account page. Okay, so let's navigate to my account page. So in our dashboard here, there isn't a reorder option in our navigation. So this is where this customize my account plugin comes in. So now when we navigate back to our dashboard, if you've installed that customize my account plugin, you'll see this Sys Basics, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So I'll just hover over this and go ahead and click customize my account. So you can use this plugin or you can use similar plugins. If you purchase the pro version as well, you could just go ahead and create. So let's walk through the steps. So I'm going to add a new link, and I'm going to name this one reorder products, and then I'm going to go ahead and click add new link. Okay, yeah, so what I was saying is if you upgrade to the pro version, it will actually give you the option to just create a page within the my account page, and then you can just embed the shortcode there to make it more convenient for your users. But if you don't want to purchase an extra plugin, you can just follow this step. So you'll just create a new link. I'll name mine reorder. So I'm going to copy and paste the link to our reorder page. So if you head back here, and I'm going to copy this link. So this is the reorder page in which we created. And then I'm going to paste this link here, and then just hit save changes. You can set this to a specific user role as well. So if you only wanted to set user group to see this, you can go ahead and select the user role. You can go ahead and select the user role here. In my case, I'm just going to set it to all role. And then I'm going to hit save changes. We could also add a custom icon as well, but I'm going to leave that for now. So I've hit save changes, and now when we head back over to my account page, here we can see this reorder option, right? So when a user clicks reorder products, it'll take us to this page in which we've created, and here they'll see all the different products in which they've purchased in the past, and it can go ahead and filter it by category instantly, filter it by tags or any other custom filters in which you've enabled for your users. Okay, so this is just a bonus tip. If we head back over to our product table settings page, so I'm just going to edit this table in which we created earlier, and I'm going to enable our bulk variation. Okay, so I'm just going to enable this option. So I'm going to specify our y-axis and x-axis as well. So I'm going to select to show the colors attribute on our y-axis and the size attribute on our x-axis. If you've got multiple different attributes, and let's say, for example, it doesn't match this rule in which you set in, it'll automatically follow the steps how you set it up in the back end, if that makes sense. Hopefully when I hit save changes now, it will make a bit more sense. So since I'm enabling our bulk variation, I'm going to actually go ahead and remove some of these things. And I'm going to enable this inner column section here. And when I click this pencil icon, I'm going to add the product name. So you probably can't see this, but we've got a few options in which we can select from here. So that's what I'm entering. So I'm just entering the product name, product image. Okay, so I'm just going to swap these around. So I'm going to add the image, separate it by a comma, and then just put name here for the product name. And then I'm going to update this. Then I'm going to hit save changes. In fact, one more step that I should do. Let's head back over to where it says bulk add to cart, and I'm going to switch this to button only. And then let's hit save changes. So now when we refresh this page, the layout should totally change. Okay, so this is our bulk variation. So again, it makes it extremely convenient for your users to find and purchase the product in which they're looking for. Okay, so let's say, for example, this variable product here, if we wanted to order the blue t-shirt in medium, we can just go ahead and quickly, so I'm ordering 2 red t-shirts in medium and 2 blue t-shirts in medium as well. Okay, and then we can go ahead and just hit add selected to cart. So again, this is just another way in which we can make it more convenient for our users to reorder products in which they've purchased in the past. We can customize the styling of this as well, but I'm just going to leave it here for now. And that's how you add a product reorder section within WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.